Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you what to do if the fingerprint sensor is not working on your Nokia 5. If your fingerprint sensor is not working, you could try out different fingers. Maybe you forgot which finger you actually had it set to. But if it doesn't work no matter which finger you put on the sensor, you could then try to clean the sensor up. Maybe it just got dirty and can't detect your finger properly. If it still, however, does not work, the next thing you would try is to get into your phone using your backup pattern. Then going into settings, finding security and location, then fingerprint, using your pattern, and then trying to re-register your fingerprint. Maybe delete the old one and add a fingerprint. Then you add a fingerprint in the standard way. First putting the center part of your finger on the sensor. Then continue on with putting different parts of your finger on the sensor, different angles. Then once it's done, you could then try unlocking your phone with your fingerprint again. If it works, then it's great. But if it still doesn't work, you could try removing your screen protector to possibly try and remove this little layer that could be an interference to the phone's sensor working. If it still doesn't work, maybe you could try going into settings, scrolling down to system, then advanced, then scrolling down a little bit more to system update to check if maybe your system is out of date. But if it isn't, then possibly that shouldn't be the issue. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.